Digital Media House.
HTML elements are categorized into two main display types: block and inline. Each element defaults to one of the two display types but can be changed with CSS. The difference is simple. Starting with block elements, they stack on top of each other like blocks and extend the full width of the web page area they are on. These elements are typically used for major sections such as a web page's header, main content, sidebar, and footer. Some common block elements include the div, paragraph, section, and the 6 header elements. Inline elements do not stack on top but display next to each other in a line and only extend their width based on the element's content. They are commonly used to style or modify text parts without breaking the flow of content. Common inline elements include the span, anchor, strong, italics, image, and the mark element. In summary, block elements start on a new line, while inline elements do not, and an element's display type can easily be changed using CSS.